Airports rely on a vast network of systems for passenger comfort and safety. Any system failure can cause flight delays, security risks, or discomfort for travelers. Monitoring critical systems in real time to detect issues before they impact airport operations, we can reduce downtime and keep flights on schedule. By using predictive technology, we can ensure that all equipment like baggage handling, lighting, and HVAC systems, as well as emergency and critical power systems, are functioning optimally. This guarantees smooth operations and also improves safety.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.